Cha, 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 Igbo kwenu, owe. Cha, 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 Igbo kwenu, owe. Cha, 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 Igbo kwenu, owe. Abia kwenu, owe. Anambra kwenu, owe. Ebonyi kwenu, owe. Enugu kwenu, owe. Imo kwenu, owe. Nigeria kwezuo no. Hello, beautiful friends, families, and loved ones. I greet you all. This is your host, Mr. B.O., a full-fledged Igbo son and teacher of Igbo language, culture, and traditions, including general issues that affect our lives in society, the lives of the Igbo, and the lives of the non-Igbo, and the general public. All right, today we're going to talk about items from the kitchen itself, to items that are used in a typical Igbo woman's kitchen, in a typical Igbo setting. Okay, now let's begin. The kitchen itself is called in Igbo usekwu, uleekwu. Usekwu is spelled as U-C-E-Kwi-U. U-C-E-Kwi-U, usekwu. Oloekwu is spelled as O-Le-O-E-Kwi-U. O-Le-O-E-Kwi-U. Okay, so that's the kitchen itself. That's the name it's called in Igbo language. Then the other one is the person that cooks. The person that cooks is called Osite. Yes, you can so a cook, a chef is called Osite in Igbo language. Some people call it Oshite. You see the same thing. O-C-E-E-T-A. Osite. Then Oshite is O-Shi-E-E-T-A. Oshite. Both Osite and Oshite mean the same thing. Both of them mean a cook or a chef, someone who cooks. Then let's now move to the items used in cooking in the kitchen. Then spoon. All spoons are called ngaji or ngazi. Ngaji is the central Igbo. That is the Igbo Izube, the generally accepted Igbo word. Okay. Then ngazi is just another name based on different dialects you find in Igbo land. So some of them call ngazi. When you hear ngazi, don't be marveled or surprised. Ngazi is the same thing as ngaji. Ngaji is spelled as N-G-A-G-E, while ngazi is spelled as N-G-A-Z-E. Both of them mean the same thing. They mean spoons. All right, we talk about the pots. All pots are called ite. In Igbo language, ite is spelled as E-T-A, ite. E-T-A, ite. Then we have knives. All knives are called mma in Igbo language. Mma. Mma is spelled as me-me-a, mma. Me-me-a, mma. Then the next one is the plates. All kinds of plates in the kitchen are called wvery. Wvery is spelled as E-F-E-R-Y-E. Wvery. E-F-E-R-Y-E. Wvery. Then in some parts of Anambra State, wvery is pronounced or is called afele or efele. Afele is spelled as A-F-E-L-E-A. Then efele is spelled as A-F-E-L-E-A. Efere, which is the central Igbo word for plate, and afele and the efele mean the same thing. They all mean plates. Okay. Now the pots. Okay, I don't know if I've said that. The pots, all pots in the kitchen, are called ite. Ite is spelled E-T-A. Okay, then we move to what do we move to now? We move to the item that cooks food: electric cooker, gas cooker, stove. even the native one found in the hinterlands, they all are under, they are called eku. They are called eku. Eku is spelled as eku, 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 eku. Okay, then we move to the table, or where all the items cooked are kept. That item itself, the table itself, is called okpokoro. Okpokoro. Okpokoro is spelled as O-B-O-R-I-O, O-B-O-K-O-R-I-O, okpokoro, O-B-O-K-O-R-I-O, okpokoro. Excuse me. What again? Then the water used in cooking in the kitchen is called mmiri. Mmiri. Mmiri is spelled as me-me-iri. Me-me-iri. That is the name for water, mmiri. Then some parts of Igbo land, like Anambra people, will pronounce mmiri as mili. Then mili is spelled as me-me-iri, me-me-ili. Then some other parts of Abia State, like Ohofia, Breba, Arochukwu, some will call it mini. Mini. Mini is spelled as me, e, ni, mini. Then mini, miri, miri, which is the accepted, the generally accepted Igbo word for water, miri, and mili, and mini are all talking about what? Water. The three talk about water. Then we have what is called oil used in cooking. Oil is called manu. Manu. Then manu is spelled as me-a, ne-o. The u that has a dot at the bottom, that is the one used, manu. Okay, me-a, ne-o. Then we move to what again? What is called pepper. Pepper, the spice we use in cooking. Pepper is called oso. Some parts of the Igbo land, they call it ose. Both oso and ose mean the same thing. They both mean pepper. Okay. The one that you use to spice up the taste of the food, called salt, is called nu. Nu in Igbo language. And the nu is spelled as ne-ne-u. Ne-ne-u, nu. Ne-ne-u, nu. Then we have, what is it called? What else then? We have what is called fish, or what everybody calls fish. Fish in Igbo is called azu. Azu is spelled as azeo, azu. Azeo, azu. Then meat in Igbo land is called anu. Anu is spelled as aneo, anu. O, aneo, anu. What other one have we got here? What else do we use to cook in the kitchen? Then the fire itself, helps us to cook those fresh items. The fire itself is called oko in Igbo land or Igbo language. Oko. Fire is called oko in Igbo language. Then oko is spelled as O-K-O, oko. O that has a dot at the bottom, and the U that has a dot at the bottom. Oko, O-K-O, oko, which means fire. What else? Then the onions. The onions are called yabasi. Yabasi. Yabasi is spelled as a b a c e. E a b a c e. Yabasi. What else have we got here? Okay. All right. I think these are all I can remember. If there are more to tell you, or if you think you need to know about any item used in the kitchen that I forgot to mention, and you need to know the name, please go to the comment section and drop the name of that particular kitchen item in English. Then once I say it, I will tell you what it's called in Igbo. If you have more than 1, 2, 10, just write them there. I will tell you, once I read the message, I will tell you what those items are called in Igbo language. Okay? I promise you that, and that's what I'm going to do. All right, guys. Oh, we have to call it a day, even though it's night already. All right. Okay, see you then. Hope you haven't forgotten our ABCD. All right, let's just use it to close this program today. ABCD efigi eji kekwekwele meni nwenyi ope reseshi ti wvery. All right, bye guys. Bye bye. Catch you some other time.